How to send PowerPoint presentation in Messenger using laptop. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'll be showing you the ways to send PowerPoint in Messenger using laptop. So in that case, what you have to do is you just have to open up a browser and then on the search box, go ahead and type in www.messenger.com and log into your Messenger account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to this sort of field. So here you just have to go ahead and locate the person to whom you wish to go ahead and send it. So I'm going to send it to this particular user, and when you're actually on this, please click the field where you can see attach a file option. Just go ahead and do that. Next, you just have to locate your PPT. In my case, I don't have it currently, so I'm just gonna skip this part. Just add it some sort of. And when you've actually added your PPT, then just go ahead and press the arrow icon. And with that, you've successfully sent your PowerPoint presentation in Messenger using laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.